Welcome to Royco Flavor Family Favorites as we
bring out the flavor with Royco.
Good evening, everyone, and thank you for joining me in the Royco kitchen. I'm sure you'll remember that March is Vegetable Month for Royco, when we're trying out some lovely Zimbabwean recipes using our local vegetables. Tonight, I'll be preparing a very good supper dish called pumpkin soup relish. This has a very short and simple list of ingredients, including pumpkin, some milk, and a very special Royco ingredient, Royco cream of chicken soup. Without further ado, let's start cooking. The first thing to do is to peel the pumpkin, then cut it into cubes. Cut the cubes fairly small so that they can cook quite quickly. The next thing to do is to heat the oil in a saucepan, then add the cubed pumpkin. Stir the pumpkin in the oil. Then next, add half a packet of Royco cream of mushroom soup and stir. Then gradually add the milk, stirring gently all the time. Season the mixture with some salt and a little black pepper. Now turn up the heat and bring the mixture to the boil. Now reduce the heat and leave the pumpkin to simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes or until the pumpkin is soft and tender. Now all we need to do is to give the mixture a nice smooth consistency. You can use a masher or liquidizer. Add a little more milk or water if necessary to achieve a nice soupy consistency. And here we have pumpkin soup relish served as a supper dish with fresh bread rolls and some crunchy vegetable sticks. You can add a topping of cream or grated cheese for that special finish. If you'd like your own copy of the recipe, write into Royco Flavor Family Favorites, Box 1038, Harare. I hope you enjoy that quick and easy meal, and I also hope you have pen and paper ready to take down the ingredients. Well, until the next time we meet in the Royco kitchen, thank you for joining me, and happy cooking with Royco.
Thank you for joining us tonight on Royco Flavor Family Favorites.
Bring out the flavor with Royco.